Union Minister for Home and Cooperation Amit Shah has said that in the last 9 years, around 26,000 crore rupees of the poor across the country have been saved because of the Aushadhi Kendras. He was addressing National PACS Mega Conclave in New Delhi on primary agricultural credit societies PACS as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra. Shah said earlier Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra were mostly situated in urban areas to benefit poor citizens. He said medicines starting from 10 to 30 rupees were provided to beneficiaries, but mostly in urban areas. The Corporation Minister said, but with PACS, now farmers and poor from rural areas will be able to get affordable medicines.
गरीबों को ही इसका फायदा मिलता था। अपने स्वास्थ्य लाभ के लिए 100 रुपये के बनाम 10 रुपये से लेकर 30 रुपये तक